Welcome to all of you. In this video, we shall start to create our first mobile app. For mobile application development, I am using MIT App Inventor software, and this is the area where I am going to start going to design my mobile application. This area is called the dashboard. If you are not having any knowledge about the creation of the dashboard, you can watch my previous video. In the previous video, I have already discussed that how you can create the dashboard and how you can create a new project. In the previous video, we have created one new project. The project name is First. So this is my first project, and this is the interface of my mobile app. Right now I have not inserted anything in this app, so this is my blank app. Any app is divided into the two parts. First part is called as front end part of the app, and second part is called as the back end of the app. Front end shows the front screens of the app, and back end will provide the functionality to the app. In the back end, basically the coding is done, programming is done on the back end, but we are using here MIT App Inventor software. The coding will be done by using the blocks. So in this dashboard, we are having two modes of the app development. First mode is the designer mode of the app. In the designer mode, you can design the front screens. Means you can create buttons, you can insert images, or you can insert the another check boxes, text boxes. Means front screens will be designed by using the designer mode. And this is the blocks mode. In by using the blocks modes, you can provide the functionality to the app. This block mode we shall discuss in the next videos. So this is the designer mode. We shall start to design our first mobile application. What is my objective? My objective is that we have to create one button. If I touch that button, my mobile app should speak something. So for the first mobile application, I have to create a button. If you want to create a button, you have to click on the button and drag this button on the screen. So button has been inserted in the app. Now in my app I am having one button. My button caption is text for button 1. I want to change this caption. If I want to change this caption, you can scroll your screen, and here's the text section. Here you can change the caption. I am changing the caption of this button, and I will write here speak. Now my button caption is speak. Second thing, I want that this button should be in the central location of my screen, because it is right aligned. I want that it should be left aligned, center aligned. Means it should be shown on the center of the screen. So if you want to put this button on the center of the screen, you can click on screen 1. This is my screen 1, and you can click on the align horizontal. If I click on the align horizontal and click on the center, when you will click on the center, my button will go to the center position of the screen. And if I want to make it right aligned, if I want to put it on the right side of the app, then I can select right. Now I want that the button should be in the center position. So this is button, and when I install this app on my mobile, it will show only one button. This button caption is speak. So this is the front end of my app. Now I want that it should speak something. It should speak something. For that, I have to put the message on my screen, which my mobile app should speak. So for the message, I will pick the label and put the label on the screen. Now I will put my message here, which should be spoken by my app. Now my message name is text for label 1, but I want to change this caption, and means I want to change this message. I want that the message should be another. I am writing the message here, mobile app development for kids. So this is my message. Now I want that when the user touch to this button, my app should speak mobile app development for kids. So this is my front end. My front end is the button. On that button here is the caption speak. Now here's the need to the design the backend. Backend means we have to provide the functionality. What is the functionality? Means how the app will speak. We have designed the front end, but we have not provided the functionality to the app. So to provide the functionality, we have to go to the blocks mode and write the logic to speak something. So that my mobile should speak something. To provide this functionality, I have to go to the blocks. So backend will be discussed. This blocks coding will be discussed in the next video. So in this video, we have created a button and we have changed the caption of that button, and we have also inserted our message. But right now, if as it is I am using this app, I will click on the speak, it will not speak anything, because I have not written the code to speak. So to write the code, I have to go to the blocks mode and design the blocks according to my requirements. My requirement is to speak the message. So in the next video, we shall see that how we can write the code, how we can design the backend of this app. So thank you students, thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you.